Hey guys, what's going on? Well, apparently, and this is where I get down to where, no matter how old you are, you can always learn something new. New technology, all kinds of crap. And even though I'm an auto mechanic, I had no idea freaking they were doing this type of stuff. But apparently, my 2012 GMC is actually calling me a freaking idiot. Okay? I brought my truck in to get it checked out because I was, when it was on auto, when the climate control was on auto and it was on passenger, I'd hear every 22 seconds we'd hear a thump. So I took it in, they brought it back, or they fixed the wire, and now I don't hear it anymore, which is actually a good thing, so that's pretty cool. So I'm driving away and I'm making sure everything's working right. So turn on the AC button. AC button blinks 3 times. Doesn't turn on. So what the hell? It shouldn't be doing that. Okay, there's got to be something wrong with it. So I take it back. Same day, it says, hey, now the AC light's blinking. So they bring it into the shop, and then they, and apparently it can be reprogrammed. But here's the kicker. I brought it inside their shop. It's obviously it's February right now, and it's snowing out here in Colorado, so it's a little bit chilly outside. I think it's only 27 degrees outside. So when we brought it inside, the computer actually gauged what the temperature was outside and said, well, it's too hot in here. I'll allow you to turn on the air conditioning. When I was driving it in 27 degree weather, it was blinking 3 times because it was seeing the outside temperature and saying, what the hell are you doing, dude? You're a nut. You don't want the air conditioning on. It's freaking cold outside, and wouldn't turn it on. Which is kind of weird because, yeah, okay, I kind of want to have control of my vehicle, but I guess that's a way of GMC basically saying, hey, you're a clown. But I just wanted to share that with you. Have a little fun. Kind of an amazing thing. And the guy even showed me on the computer when he hooked it up. He was like, look, if it drops below this temperature, it'll actually keep the light off and it won't turn your AC compressor on. Amazing. Freaking amazing. Right there, you basically say, oh, and I'm an auto mechanic and I look like an idiot right now. I guess I've been out of it too long. But well, I hope all you guys have a good one, and ladies have a good one. About to get some snow. It's already snowing right now. We're supposed to get like 3 to 5 maybe, who knows. But it's already starting. They said it wasn't supposed to start until tomorrow, but hey, it's the weather. But you guys have a good one. Like, subscribe. Have a good one. Later.